Hi, this is Jimmy for the Old Mill, and today we're going to make some chili. We're going to use our chili starter mix, which will set you on the path for the best pot of chili you've ever made. You won't believe how simple this chili is. To get started, we're going to get our pot nice and hot here. I've got a large Dutch oven. I'm going to add in my ground beef. I want to brown this off, and while that's cooking, I'm also going to cook down my onions. That's one large onion diced. So I'm going to get these stirred up as this starts to heat up. And this will cook for probably about 10 minutes, and you'll see your hamburger's nice and brown and the onions have started to cook down, and then we'll add in the rest of the ingredients. All right, our meat is browned, everything is cooked down, and I'm using lean ground beef, so I don't have to worry about draining off all that fat. That's why I went ahead and threw the onions in there to get this started. Now I'm ready to add in the rest of my ingredients. So I've got a mixture of red kidney beans here, the dark and the light kidney beans. So I'll add those in. I want to add in my diced tomatoes. Oh, my pot's getting nice and full here. Let me get this stirred up a little bit. I don't want to forget our seasoning mix, so that's going in next so I can get all that blended in. And now I'm going to top it off with some tomato juice. And as this starts to cook down a little bit, I may add more tomato juice to it, so I'm just going to ladle some in to begin with. So I don't want to spill this all over the counter from this tall can. And I'll use about half this can to start with, and I'll reserve the rest to keep adding to it as it cooks down. So I'm going to get this stirred up, and we'll have chili for dinner before you know it. Now you can see our chili is starting to come to a boil, so I'm going to give this a stir, get everything heated up, and then I'm going to reduce the heat a little bit and just let it simmer for about 30 minutes. And like I said, if it starts to reduce down, I've got some more tomato juice here I can add to it to keep it going. I don't want it to dry out. You do want to stir it occasionally just to make sure that nothing is sticking on the bottom. Well, our chili is done. I'm going to ladle some up here and garnish it with a little bit of sour cream, a little bit of shredded cheddar, and why not just a little bit of green onion just to add a little more kick to it right there. This chili starter is great. As you can see, it makes it so quick, so easy, so simple to make a huge pot of chili, which is great for a snowy day, a game day, a potluck, whatever you need, or just when you feel like having some chili. So here you go. Cheers to chili. Oh my gosh, that's so good. That is so good.